Welcome to the Planet Native registration page. Depending on the type of browser you have, your screen may look just a little bit different than mine. We have several different types of tickets this year. First of all, I'd like to point out that if you have a discount code, you will pop that discount code in right here under the ticket. So pop in your discount code. You may have seen that in an advertisement or on a card that you received in the mail. Pop that in there and then hit apply. I'm going to walk you through a registration without a discount code. But first of all, I want to point out that we have several different types of conference tickets this year. We are doing a hybrid conference this year, which means that some of our activities will be in person. So I want to point out this first ticket. It's a virtual conference plus exhibit hall / social event. That social will be on the first night of the conference, Monday, September 12th. That will be at Boulevard Brewery. If you plan to attend the conference and the exhibit hall, please select that ticket type. That will help us keep a good count for who's coming. You'll notice that the virtual conference only without the exhibit hall is the same price as the virtual conference plus exhibit hall. So there's no difference in price. We just want to have a good count on who's actually going to be able to come to the exhibit hall, and we sure hope all of you can. We are offering 4 different field trips this year. We're offering the virtual conference plus the Prairie Birthday Farm tour, virtual conference plus an urban gardens tour. It's 3 urban gardens. We're also calling that a crawl. A virtual conference plus a tour of the Shawnee Mission School District's native prairie and revitalized native garden entry. And we're offering a new out of the metro tour of the O'Fallon Park in St. Louis, Missouri. So with these 4 tickets, the field trip tickets, you'll have the virtual conference plus the field trip, plus you have entry to the exhibit hall too. So it's a really great deal this year. The other ticket type is the student rate. To be eligible for that rate, you do need a .edu email address. And then if you plan to join us as an exhibitor, we have the regular exhibitor registration rate, and then we have the nonprofit exhibitor registration. So for my purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and select the ticket, one ticket for the virtual conference plus the exhibit hall. So I'll go through here. Some people will be able to go ahead and put in their information. Their address will automatically come up with, like mine did. So we need the first name, last name, email, street address, city, state, and zip. Those little red asterisks mean those are required fields. We'd like your phone number without any dashes or any kind of punctuation whatsoever. If you have a job title that you'd be willing to put in, we'd love to have that. I'm the outreach manager. My company is Deep Roots. We really want to know your experience level. Are you a landscape architect, or are you a beginner, or are you somewhere in between? I am a nonprofit professional. I don't need any kind of certifications or CEUs. And how did you learn about Planet Native? We want to know that as well. I'd like to point out that we don't plan to mail programs this year. We plan to provide a really great electronic PDF to everyone. So if you can only get a program, if paper is the only way for you to access a program, go ahead and opt in there. Otherwise, if you attend the social and exhibit hall, there will be programs there, or we will provide an electronic copy. So we hope that answers that question. And if you really need a paper copy, please feel free to add that. So my ticket is ready to go. I'm going to hit continue. The next page, there's some required fields as well. Well, this is for the billing address. So for billing, we need the first name and last name of the person whose billing information that we're billing, email, billing address, credit card number, expiration date, and on the back of the card, that CVC. Before we can place this order, we have to hit accept Socio's terms and service and privacy policies. That's it. And then at that point, we'll hit place order and you will be ready to go. You'll receive a confirmation email with your access instructions, and we will see you at the conference. Thanks.